Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about map using lambda expressions. Now syntax for map using lambda expressions is the syntax for map using lambda expressions is map, and map receives two parameters. One is function and other is iterable. Now iterable can be a list, set, range. You can give anything. For example, I have a list and its members are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, and this is my list. Now I want square of each item in the list. So my results of the list is, for the first item 12, so square of 12 is 144, 13 square is 169, and 14 square is 196, and 15 square is 225, and 16 square is 256, and 17 square is 289. So I want to get the square of each item in the list L. So I will use map plus lambda concept to get this result. Now let us see how to use this concept. Map, and map requires function and iterable, so it can be of any type. So I'm using the list, so it needs a function, so I can use lambda itself to write the function. So I'm writing a lambda x such that x, the manipulation is x square, so x square can be written as x asterisk asterisk 2, and I passed L. Now since map cannot get the results, I will typecast with list. So I will print the list of this. So when I run this program, I will get the output as, see, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256 and 289, which is our result. So we got it. Okay, yeah, we got it. So this is how we can use map function using lambda. Instead of writing the function and passing the map, you can easily write a lambda expression. So this is the use of a lambda expression. So we got a list of squares, isn't it? Yeah. So this is, so we got a list of squares of a given list. So, and this is our class about the map and lambda concept. So I will revise once again. So we took a list which consists of 12